Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to place for honest and detailed insights into the gadgets you care about. Today, we're taking a close look at a charging solution that promises speed, compatibility, and a little something extra. The 45W AC adapter fast charger with a detachable USB-C cable. Designed for the Nintendo Switch, Switch OLED, Switch Lite, Steam Deck, and a variety of other USB-C devices. Let's get into it. So right out of the box, you're getting a well-packaged set that includes the 45W AC adapter, a durable 5-foot USB-C to USB-C cable, and even an AC extension cord, making this setup travel-ready and versatile right from the jump. The detachable design is something I really like. Unlike most integrated chargers, this one lets you replace just the cable if it wears out, saving money, reducing waste, and honestly making storage much more convenient. Now let's talk performance. This charger is designed to replace the original Nintendo Switch charger, and at 45 watts, it actually outpaces the standard 39W unit. That means it's capable of charging your Switch from 0 to 50% in just about an hour. And yes, it supports Power Delivery 3.0, so you're looking at optimized fast charging whether you're gaming or just juicing up between sessions. Where it really shines though is compatibility. This thing isn't just for the Switch. You can use it with the Switch OLED, Lite, Steam Deck, even the newer Switch 2 console. Although take note, it doesn't support the Switch 2 TV dock. Still, it does work with the original Switch TV dock, so if TV mode is your thing, you're covered. It also supports charging for PS5 and Xbox Elite controllers, iPads, and even iPhones 15 through 17. So yeah, it's basically a universal charger in disguise. Now let's dig into power delivery. You won't need a step-down converter if you're heading to the US or most parts of Asia. Safety-wise, it's loaded. You've got protection against overcharging, overheating, short circuits, overcurrent, overvoltage, and sparks. Plus, there's an intelligent temperature monitoring system to make sure your device stays safe even during extended gaming marathons. Let's not forget the cable. This isn't just some throwaway cord. It's a thick, laser-welded, copper wire construction USB-C to USB-C cable that supports both power delivery and fast data transfer. And yes, it's been tested to handle over 20,000 bends, which is a claim not many cables can confidently make. If durability matters to you, and it should, this cable's a solid win. Overall, the build quality feels premium. The matte finish on the adapter body gives it a clean, minimalistic look, and the compact size means it won't hog space in your backpack or power strip. So, what's the bottom line? For around the price of a standard charger, you're getting something that's faster, more flexible, more durable, and way more compatible than what typically comes with your console. Whether you're a hardcore gamer or someone looking for a reliable all-in-one USB-C charging solution, this 45W AC adapter is seriously worth considering. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, and hit that subscribe button for more in-depth product breakdowns just like this. This is Product Critique, where tech meets trust. See you in the next one.